today we are going to be using our Hamilton Beach breakfast sandwich maker. They have made it so easy. So you can see it does come with great instructions and some recipes, which is awesome. So you don't even have to think about it. You have the recipes right there in the owner manual. So it tells you exactly how to make it. So let's have a look here and just see what makes this very, very awesome. So it has the bottom layer here. You're going to put down your first slice of bread, bagel, croissant, muffin, whatever you want. Put down your cheese on top of it. Then put down level number 2. So you can see that it has this solid bottom to it, which is very cool. So I'm going to show you in a moment. You get to put your egg and then whatever else you want to put on top of it. Here you can also put extra things. So what I'm going to make today, an everything bagel breakfast sandwich with cheese and egg and tomato. So I'm holding this up here. So once your sandwich is ready, you get to move that away. So everything comes together and then you can take your sandwich out. Is that not so very cool? This all detaches and is dishwasher safe. How amazing is that? Just slots back in there. So let's get it on. Oh, before we even get it on, so it has the nice indicator button here, so it will tell you green for when it is good to go and red to show that it is powering up. So let's get that in there and powered on. And so we have the red light is on, shows that we are getting power. It is heating. Oh, it's getting hot. I can feel it. It's not quite hot to the touch yet, but it definitely is heating up, which is awesome. So I heard that the green light is on, so let's get going and get our bagel in there. So it opens, you see it stays open on its own. Let's get our bagel in there. Oh, this is going to be so good. Take out cheese, which is so yummy and delicious and soft. Let's put that. It's like the perfect size. Look at the perfect piece of cheese. We're going to put a slice of tomato and a little bit of salt on there and some pepper. Teeny little bit like that. This is so cool that we get to do this together right here on Sway TV on Amazon Live, and then we get to enjoy it together. That is awesome. So you can put, I mean, so many things. It is endless. So let's put layer number 2, and this is where we start with our egg. This is just so incredibly clever. I love this. So here we go. Egg goes in there. Awesome. And then we are going to take the top of our bagel and get it in here. It's all going to fit so perfectly. There we go, and we close it, and it is cooking away. My goodness, this is awesome. Yeah, me. So there we go. We just slide this around here like that, and we lift this up because my bagel got a little, there we go. Oh, this is going to be amazing. So how cool is that? Look at all the, oh, this is so melty and cheesy and absolutely wonderful. Everything is in the sandwich. This is so incredibly cool. So let's get it up onto the plate, and then I'm going to open it up and let's see inside. So cool part is this is dishwasher safe. Just wash it and put it away. My goodness, that is a really delicious sandwich that we made here at Sway TV. Thanks to our Hamilton Beach breakfast sandwich maker.